And the Raison Preciosa from the outside, Showmaster. Rushing up is Panamera Karma. Down on the inside, Dugus Pride. Rushing up, Final Impact. Moving up by Daral LGBC. Nagtala, Love Ko To. And Hakuna Matata is running at the tail of the field. Showmaster on the outside, and racing out of other outside is Panamera LGB. Down on the inside, Final Impact, Dugus Pride, racing in 6 by Daral Karma, 7-8C, Nagtala, Love Ko To, and Hakuna Matata as they swing towards the long Nike stretch run with entry number 9, Preciosa, by about 2 lengths. Showmaster, Panamera, and Dugus Pride on the outside is Karma in between runners. Preciosa, Showmaster, Karma, and on the outside is Dugus Pride, Preciosa, Showmaster by Daral, and close, Showmaster and Karma for second, third. Then comes Dugus Pride, Panamera, and Final Impact for your super